Dear friends, welcome to Raj Physics Academy. Today we are going to review the Comprehensive Mathematics for 11th CBSE published by Lakshmi Publication Private Limited, Chennai. So our sincere thanks to Mr. Chandra Balaji and Mr. Ravichandran, Lakshmi Publication Private Limited, Chennai. Dear friends, I would like to talk to you for a few minutes just to give you an idea of some of the special feature of this book. Before I go further, I tell you that this book has been revised according to the NCERT syllabus prescribed by the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE. Just like their previous earlier books, they have written this book in such a simple style that even the weak students will able to understand maths very easily. The most important feature of the revised edition of the book is that we have included large variety of different type of questions to assess the learning ability of the students. This book it has a detailed theory with a neat diagram. It has large number of solved problems. It has a large number of unsolved problems. It has working rules, steps for solving problem before exercise. It has hints of tricky problems after relevant exercise. It has a summary at the end of each chapter. It is NCERT and exemplar problem textbook questions. It has additional materials required for engineering entrance test. It has high order thinking skills questions after each chapter. It has value based question after each unit. The subject matter has been arranged in a systematic manner, strictly in accordance with the CBSE syllabus. The language used in the book is simple, and the book contains a very large number of illustrative diagrams. They are neat, well labeled, and can be easily resketched by the students. A large number of solved and unsolved numerical problems on all topics have been given under the appropriate articles for the guidance of the student. It is hoped, doubtlessly, that after students goes through the solved examples of any topic, sufficient confidence will build up in him to work out unsolved problems of the topic. To further help the students, useful hints or complete solution of different problems have been given at the end of each exercise. For your knowledge boxes given in the book at many places provide additional information to the students which may prove useful for competitive examination. Another special feature of the book is that it contains a very large number of reasoning based solved problem in the section very short answer conceptual problems and short answer conceptual problems. At the end of each chapter there is a text based exercise. Each exercise includes a vast collection of questions asked in previous examinations paper of CBSE, ISCE and many other state boards of India. The exercise has been split into 3 sections. Type A contains very short answer questions carrying 1 mark. Type B contains short answer question carrying 2 or 3 marks. Type C contains long answer 1 and long answer 2, each carrying 5 marks. Answer of all the questions have been provided at the end of the section. I shall feel amply reward for the time and labor I have put in during the preparation of the value, if the students and their teachers find it adequate for their requirement. It has large number of solved problems to illustrate and amplify the theory and also bring into sharp focus these fine points without which the students continuously feels himself on unsafe ground. It has a large number of unsolved problems with answers to serve as a complete revision of the materials in each chapter. A few future working rules or step for solving problems has been introduced. This would help the students to tackle various type of problems more confidently. The problems which are comparatively harder are provided with suitable hints. The author has not desired to dishearten the students by incorporating very tedious problems which are not expected from the students of plus 2 level. Keeping in view the present trend of examination papers, each exercise in the book has been divided into 3 parts containing very short answer type question 1 mark, long answer type 1 and long answer type 2. Problems from NCERT textbook have also been included in the book. To protect the interest of the science students, special section, additional materials and high order thinking skills question have also been added at the end of each chapter. We are sure that after reading the book, the students will develop a special interest in mathematics and they would like to study mathematics in higher classes as well.